I run a successful AI automation agency that has closed multiple deals, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 proven ways to get your first AI automation client, and these are the exact strategies that work even if you're brand new and just starting to learn. Number 1, Upwork. If you want to get the first client fast, Upwork is probably the easiest place to start. Now, people are already there looking to hire. You just need to show them that you are the right person for the job. Now, the best part, you don't need a personal brand, a big portfolio, or even a website. Just a clean profile and a solid proposal. And if you really want to stand out, send a video proposal because it's personal, direct, and it makes a huge impression. Now, because you're speaking directly to the client and showing that you're not just copy-pasting replies, that's why the effectiveness is so high. Number 2, content. Now, this is more of a long term, but it really does work, especially if you're focused on a particular niche. When you start posting what you're working on or even simple builds, people begin to see you as the go-to person for that automation in that specific space, right? And it doesn't have to be fancy. A short Instagram video, a LinkedIn carousel showing your workflow, or a quick YouTube tutorial is all it takes. And if you're wondering which platform to focus on, I personally think that YouTube is probably the best because you're showing exactly what you built, what problem it solves, and who it helps. And that builds undeniable trust, right? Because YouTube is a great platform where once you show your work there, it's always there, so you can always refer people to it. And again, you don't need to go viral here. You're not trying to become an influencer. You're just trying to be visible. And one clear tutorial can land you a high-paying client. And I've seen it happen over and over again in my Skool community where people who have just had 100 or 200 subscribers over the 3 or 4 videos, they've had clients reach out to them. Number 3, in-person events. Now, this one is super underrated, but honestly, one of the most effective because AI is everywhere right now, right? But most businesses and most business owners still don't fully understand what's possible. And that's your opportunity here. When you go to a local meetup, a tech event, or even just hanging out at a co-working space, and you say something like, yeah, I build AI automations that helps businesses save time and close more deals, people lean in, right? They get curious. And a lot of times that turns out into conversations, and sometimes those conversations turn into clients because a lot of businesses are in need of AI automations, but they don't know where to start. And real world conversations build trust fast. So don't sleep on in-person events, especially if you're in a city with lots of small businesses or startups. So those are the 3 effective ways. Now, if you're brand new to this or you want a step-by-step plan to get your first client, I've built a full 4 to 5 week daily accountability program inside my community. We help you pick a niche, set up your socials and websites, start posting content, apply for jobs, price your services, and we share real proposals and strategies from our own AI agency here, so you're not just guessing, right? So if you want to join, I'm going to put the link in the description. Hopefully I'll see you inside. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.